Hi, I'm Steve Clark with Red Oak Electric. We're at the Shield store in Sandy, Utah. Showing you the functions of this enclosed controller. There's several of them scattered throughout the job. This one's running an air compressor. The circuit that's feeding this controller is usually labeled right on top above the handle. There's your voltage. To open these up to get inside, if you have to get up inside these, you need to turn it off first. You undo these two screws, and there's a place for a lock right here if you need to lock this out if you're working on it. And then you should just be able to open the door like so. Catch it right there. And here's the inner workings of the enclosed controller. This is a control transformer. It's tapped off of the line voltage. It gives you your control voltage, which allows the coil to actuate, which basically starts the motor, pump, whatever you're running. This is there's actually a circuit breaker in here. That's why you see the trip setting on the handle, so it can actually trip if you have a short or ground fault, something like that goes on. These are the heaters to the starter. There's a reset button. They're actually called motor overloads as well. If the motor pulls too much current over an extended period of time, these heaters will open up and it'll shut the motor off. If you get that problem, there's usually something going on with your motor. You need to have it checked out. So you can reset those heaters. There's a reset button here, and it basically ties into this button here. So if you push the reset on the front of the controller, it'll also reset it. Basically how that works. These they have a hand. Let's see so there's a hand function on here that'll just override the building automated system. You have your hand off and auto. So we can turn this back on. Turn it It's overriding all the building controls by doing that. If you put it in auto, then it is now on building controls, and they've intercepted the coil, and it'll run according to the parameters that they've set. When the power is running through the contactor, this will light up, pilot light. And that's pretty much it on the controllers.
Warranty on them?
What's the warranty on these?
1 year parts and labor. I think Cutler Hammer's factory deal on those are 2 years. The actual parts themselves.
Most of these are controlling the snow melt pumps on the mezzanine level. There are a few that will control compressors scattered throughout the building. There's a few that will be on some exhaust fans for the kitchen as well. Beyond that, you should see mainly for pumps and compressor motors.